Hi, my name is Boris and welcome to CosmicTrading. And today we're going to check the weather forecast for Tesla, Coinbase, and Bitcoin. Let's start with Tesla real quick. Now, if you recall the last time, I did say I thought this area was going to hold and was going to bounce off. The market sure has its way of proving me wrong. So, not only we broke through, but we have increased the level of the downtrend as well. If the downtrend were to continue, I'm gonna call this blue line the bottom. Yes, I'm gonna call it the bottom right here, right now, as of the 8th of March. But yes, the reason why is because if you zoom out, people that held during the worst period of this. So those are the real people with diamond hands. And if you look back, way back, yeah, it's even lower than 2020. So that in itself should tell you everything. Now looking back at this, it seems like we are back at the level of this downtrend. So I'm gonna have to take a real quick measurement to make sure, because we might actually use this as a bounce for this week. Let's see. Alright, we're not there just yet. If we're to reach it, we have about 14 more percent. Holy cow, that's a lot. Before we reach that area. So if we don't recover for whatever reason and we go straight down for the next 8 days, that might be another bottom and we might bounce off of it and take a little breather. But man, that Tesla volatility is just insane. Anyways, if you're trading Tesla the same way I am, best of luck to all of us. Alright, let's move on to Coinbase. Alright, since Coinbase look like it's still on a downtrend, I'm gonna take a measurement from when it started to current, and then I'm gonna take a measurement from the bottom all the way to there just to test if it's respecting it, and then I'll project it forward to finalize it. Alright, let's begin. Alright, the market seems to respect this at the level 2, and now we're gonna project it forward to finalize it. Alright, the market seems to have used this for support multiple times already, 3 times. So right now it might be pretty weak, but you never know. And it seems like we are trapped in the downtrend from when it started. So this is a very scary area. So we'll see, that might be a nice bouncing area, only time will tell. And if we were to bounce from up there, we could go 83% until we touch all-time high. That's if you really believe in Coinbase. I don't, not like actual Bitcoin. But before we move to Bitcoin, let's measure this downtrend real quick. I'm just curious to where we're at. Alright, we're down 43%, well, 38% on the stock. And we are pretty much at the limit of this current downtrend we've been on. So if anything, this is as good as a buy as it gets, honestly. But hey, the market always has its way of proving me wrong, so what do I know, right? I'm just another crazy guy on the internet. Alright, now let's move on to Bitcoin. Alright, since I'm trading Bitcoin like the S&P 500 of the crypto world, I did a complete drawing the same way I did SPX, and I don't want to redraw it because it takes a long time. Now what I will redraw for you guys is what we're going through right now from 2022 all the way to current events. Alright, it seems we are trading at a level 4 when we take measurement from way back there, and it looks like we had a bounce on our level 2 from 2020 crash. So that means we are trading currently at a level 2 for the past 5 years, which is great. That's why I had a great reaction right here, but we have no clue if it's gonna hold or not, so let's see. Before we go, let's check this downtrend real quick. Wow, that's a massive gap of uncertainty. So if we were to continue to go to an uptrend, we have about 12, 14 more percent. All right. And if we were to continue to go in downtrend, we'll probably have another 12% or so. Well, if you're trading Bitcoin, best of luck. I think that's it for me for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.